Buying shares in the stock market involves several steps. Research. Begin by researching stocks to determine which companies you want to invest in. Consider factors such as financial performance, industry trends, and growth prospects. Open an account. Next, open a brokerage account with a reputable brokerage firm. You can do this online or in person by providing identification and funding your account. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to have capital available for investing. Place an order. Using the brokerage platform, place an order to buy shares of the chosen stock. Specify the number of shares you want to purchase and the type of order. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the order, review all details to ensure accuracy. Execute order. Once you confirm the order, the brokerage will execute it on your behalf. If it's a market order, the purchase will be made at the prevailing market price. Monitor investment. After purchasing shares, monitor your investment regularly. Keep track of stock performance, company news, and market trends to make informed decisions about when to buy or sell.